In the previous example, we used symbols from plants standard and scrolled down and inserted those symbols into a design. The idea behind this was that if you use symbols in that group, you can simply turn off the construction layer and turn off the symbol layer, and then print from there, and you give your construction team a very easy layout plan. If we swing to this drawing we've used a different set of symbols from the library. We've gone plants and we've used this sized set. Now the reason to use the size set, there are two reasons. If we pick, say, something from the tall tree set, let's pick number 8 and open it up and insert it into the drawing, it's already sized to fit, and it's already been placed on, or the symbol's been drawn on a layer tall trees. So if we go to the layer set, the tall tree layer has the color 253. We could set it to 254, which is an even fainter color, and can you see that the majority of these tree symbols are in the upper, will denote the upper canopy, so they'll print in a very light way. This one here is, if we edit the block, the symbol there has been placed on layer 0, so there's a slight error there, but it's easily fixed, and you could put that back on the small tree layer and just close the block editor. Now all the upper canopy and this design, when printable, show up very faint, so you get the advantage of being able to see the understory underneath planting without having to adjust transparency, and the symbols are already sized as you bring them in. So if, for the sake of argument, we go to library plants sized and we pick, say, one of these mini shrubs, and let's pick that one there. As I insert that into the drawing, it brings us a new shrub symbol which we can see under the taller canopy, and it's already sized. Now this is working in the US environment, so if we measure from one side to the other, that's about 2-foot canopy diameter, so it's a very small little shrub. You can still scale any of these symbols at will. Select that one, right click, scale, click in the middle, come out there, and we'll reduce it just a little. So the symbols are quite malleable, but the idea is to give us this ability to deal with an upper canopy, which often obscures a design.